In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Make, a straightforward process that helps you integrate these two platforms seamlessly for an improved workflow. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Make dashboard. Start by logging into your Make account, and once you're comfortably situated on the dashboard, look for the option to create a scenario. Click on it. This is the beginning of customizing how Make and Trello will work together for you. Once you've clicked through to create a scenario, it's time to think about which service you want to connect with, and in this case, it is Trello. In the search bar provided, type in Trello. As you do this, you'll notice a list of results begin to populate. Trello should be among the top options. Click on Trello to select it. This establishes the foundation for what you are going to be working with in Make. The next stage involves selecting a workspace. You might see various workspace options based on how your Make account is set up. Choose any workspace option that suits your needs. The real hub of action here is creating a connection between Trello and Make. Look for the Create a Connection option and click on it. Establishing this connection is crucial as it allows the services to work together effortlessly. After you've established this connection, remember to save your progress. Find the Save button and click it. This step helps ensure that all the configurations you've set up are secured and ready to be used in your scenarios. Now you will need to grant the necessary permissions. This entails allowing Trello access through Make. A window should prompt you to allow permissions. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed. This step is vital as it ensures Trello and Make can communicate effectively, keeping your workflow intact and updated. Now that permissions are settled, you can refine this connection by typing in your specific query or instructions. Input any command or search that aligns with your desired workflow within the scenario. After typing in your query, finalize this process by clicking Save Again. This particular step locks in all the configurations and ensures that your Make and Trello integration is set up correctly and ready for action whenever you need it. All in all, connecting Trello to Make is a simple and efficient process that enhances workflow and productivity by combining these two powerful tools. Follow these steps, and you should have your integration up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.